The Digital Operations Center at Dow is focused on delivering innovative and sustainable solutions. We evaluate and work on the new and emerging technologies.
The technology around machine vision isn't necessarily new, but how do we actually use it in these industrial environments and do it at scale was really the big question. What we were tasked with was to develop a solution for the leak detection to enable the operators at the site to catch these very unlikely events from happening before there's actually any kind of issues.
With our leak detection solution, cameras are monitoring 24/7. The camera feed is going into an intelligent edge device using the Azure video analyzer. When a leak happens, the alert is sent through the IoT hub to send out an email, voice, or SMS call to the appropriate person.
We don't have to create this foundational set of technology from scratch. We can just leverage Azure to quickly develop and deploy models at scale. This enabled us to see a path to scalability. The value is not just one deployment, but thousands of deployments. And you can't even compare the speed at which we got a solution that was scalable up versus doing it internally. We really couldn't have done it without the solution that we built with Microsoft. We're going to ultimately save money by increasing safety and by having more digital tools in the hands of our manufacturing personnel to improve their job experience and do their jobs in a more safe and productive way.
Being at Dow and bringing in newer innovations that help the end user and at the same time improving the safety of our systems, that is something that makes me feel that I'm contributing.